y'all. Thank y'all for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate y'all showing me so much love. I'm trying to get real good with these whole video things. Let me turn my music down just a little bit because I've been in my little zone with my Spotify. So today I am wearing my Best Friend Cosmetics once again, and this shade is called Isabella. So it looks like it's white or iridescent, but once it go on, it turns like gold. So I absolutely love that, and I don't know why you guys haven't checked her out yet because she got some nice little lippies. Okay, the glitter I have on. At first I was gonna put this other glitter on, but I was like, no, I didn't like it. So I ended up putting this glitter on that I had found on eBay. It looks like this. I actually put it inside this container. It came in like a little baggie, like a, what is it, 10 gram? It was like 10 grams, I think, of glitter. So I put it inside here because it was in a baggie, and that gets real messy. And I mix it with this green glitter, which is Rita Richardson glitter. She's on Facebook and she's on Instagram. Yeah. So she, this is a glitter that she sent me a while back, and I put those two glitters together. This is how I came up with this nice, pretty, gorgeous, chunky, nice, going into the 4-eye. You see what I'm saying? You see how it's so cute? And this is a old wig that I had for a minute. I think I had this since last year. I just, you know, resuscitated and brought it back to life. I did like CPR on this. You get what I'm saying? So if you guys was wondering about the wig, yeah, I am still bald from the chemo, but yeah, we're working it out. We're working it out. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, giving me likes, being so engaged with me. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I don't care if I had 2 subscribers. As long as I'm reaching 1 subscriber, I'm good with that. So until next time, I will see you guys on the other side. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. today we are with Isabella.
Yes, we is.
Yes, we is. So you want to show them how yours look on your lips? Come closer to the camera so they can see. Oh, that's pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
What you think about it?
Pretty. It has glitter on it.
It has glitter on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
On mine too, right? We cute. We cute. Uh-huh.
Let me do a shoe, guys.
Shoot. 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 Okay. And Mickey want to do the shoot? Okay. Tell them to see them later.
See you later.